Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you and tell you how to upload videos to Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do that, we're going to need to go to Facebook. And then once we're open, we're going to click on Home. And this is where we need to click Create. Now here we can write a title, make the post public or private. We can also add an album. We can choose a social network. We want to post on Facebook or we want to post on Instagram as well. And after that, we click here Photo or Video. Choose Video and click Done. Now here we can change it. So like I said, add some smiley faces to the description. We can click here. Edit. Change the effects, add music, add some emoticons. After that, I click Post and click Publish. And it'll publish the post and it'll upload it to your Facebook profile. That's how easy it can be done. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, everybody.